while the focus remains on the investigations, unfortunately, politics has also erupted over the fire tragedy that took place in Vivek Vihar. The BJP is now hit out at the Delhi government over what they claim is sheer negligence on part of the Aam Aadmi Party Sarkar. Delhi BJP chief has in fact alleged that the chief minister is responsible for encouraging corruption in each and every department. So that's the latest reaction coming in from the BJP as far as this fire tragedy is concerned. We listen into some of the political reactions and questions being asked by the Bharatiya Janata Party before we deep dive into more details.
देखिए, इसमें दिल्ली बहुत ही दर्द में है, बहुत परेशानी में है। दिल्ली को अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने दर्द और आंसुओं का पहाड़ बना दिया है। हाहाकार मची है। कल जब मैं इस घटना की जानकारी मुझे मिली, ये सोच के कि जरा इसका अनुभव करिए कि जिसके बच्चे अभी संसार में आए थे और अस्पताल से घर नहीं पहुंच पाए। हु इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल?
दिल्ली सरकार का भ्रष्ट प्रशासन इस पूरे हादसे का जिम्मेदार है। और ये पहली बार नहीं कह रहे सौरभ भारद्वाज। नरेला में आग लगती है तब भी इनके मंत्री यही बोलते हैं, अलीपुर में लगती है तब भी यही बोलते हैं, मुंडका में लगती है तब भी यही बोलते हैं, अनाज मंडी में हादसा होता है तब भी ये यही कहते हैं, करोल बाग के 2 होटल अर्पित और रोमानिया में आग लगी तब भी इन्होंने यही कहा। हर बार जांच की बात करते हैं, कार्रवाई की बात करते हैं और उसके नाम पर भी भ्रष्टाचार करते हैं, पैसा वसूलते हैं और उस सिस्टम को चालू कर देते हैं। तो यहाँ भी यही करेंगे। मेरा ये मानना है कि 7 बच्चे जिन्होंने अपनी आंखें भी नहीं खोली, क्या कसूर था उनका कि उन्होंने दिल्ली सरकार के भ्रष्ट प्रशासन पर भरोसा किया और यहाँ उनके पेरेंट्स उनको लेकर आ गए। क्या कसूर था उन बच्चों का? हर भ्रष्टाचार का मूल कारण दिल्ली का प्रशासन है, क्योंकि ये उन लोगों को संरक्षण देता है।
Let me go across to my colleague Yash Goel joining us with more details. Yash, what can you tell us about the allegations that are now coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party? They say this is result of the corrupt practices that have been adopted by the Aam Aadmi Party. What are they talking about? Is there any specific angle which is being raised by the BJP?
Well, Crispin, the BJP is continuously only alleging one thing, that this is not the first incident which has happened here in the national capital of similar sort. There were multiple fires which were reported, and in fact, all the fires where something like this had happened, there were no NOCs given by the authorities to the places of incident where these incidents take place. So the BJP is very clear in the thought. They say that this is all because of your negligence from your administration side, because you were not able to keep the proper checks and balances. But the question here comes is that what all like NOCs needed for any hospital or any establishment from the Delhi fire services. In fact, they didn't have that very NOC also in this very hospital where this incident took place. Now the allegation is not just made by the Bharatiya Janata Party, but also from the Aam Aadmi Party. Saurabh Bhardwaj in a tweet also said that how he was trying to contact the Secretary Health and he was not responsive. So that's why he had to visit that very place all by himself. But as of now, no specific claim is being made by the Bharatiya Janata Party. In fact, it's Virendra Sachdeva, who is the BJP Delhi chief, came out and said, in fact, he reached out to that very spot also in Vivek Vihar where that unfortunate incident took place. And here he said that this is all because of the corrupt administration of the Aam Aadmi Party. But also the question arises that there are many services and there are many permissions which are being taken from the central government also, or from the central authorities also, when it comes to the operation of hospitals. Were those also being taken by the hospital administration or not? That is also a major question which needs to be asked to both the central government and to the state government, because there are many like central administration on the state administration. Meanwhile, the politics obviously has broken out on this very issue, because another incident has also taken place in Delhi today in Krishnanagar, where 3 people have died. Yes. So the bigger question here lies is, it's not about the politics, but it's about the people who are suffering, because 7 infants who have actually lost their lives to this very incident had nothing to do with either with the BJP or with the Aam Aadmi Party.
Absolutely.
They were just getting their treatment. In fact,
and
we
merely
spoke to the victims
shifting the blame,
also.
Yash, will not do. It will not work. What really happened? Did the hospital have an NOC, this building had an NOC. You know, was this a result of a chain of cylinder blasts? What really happened? Investigations are most certainly going to unfold the crucial aspects of what may have transpired in the run-up to this unfortunate fire tragedy that's broken out at this children's hospital. You've been tracking the story for us in detail. Thank you for getting us that quick update. Let's also play out some of the ground reports filed by you a little while earlier.
Massive fire claimed 7 innocent infants live here in the national capital. Ruckus still breaking out here outside the hospital. You can see the families of these very infants still continuing to struggle to find their kids, to get information about what happened. This is a family still trying to figure out if their kid is okay or not. We tried speaking to them and they are not in a very good condition. क्या हुआ आपके बच्चे के बारे में कुछ पता चला इनके? He is no more. So this is a very unfortunate thing coming in. The family just came over here, tried speaking to the volunteers who are working, and they just got to know that their kid is no more. In fact, we are learning that this very place where this massive fire broke out had no NOC. In fact, this has been confirmed by sources from Delhi Fire Services. What we are also learning is that the owner of this very place is still at large. Now, FIR against this very person has been registered in relevant sections like 336 of the IPC pertaining to causing death due to negligence. At 11:32, a fire call was received by the Delhi Fire Services here for a location in Vivek Bihar. You can see this building, this very building was a kids' hospital and in fact now stands charred because of the fire which has actually damaged this entire property, killing around 7 kids. You can see how bad the condition over here is. In fact, this very fire broke out at about 11:32 on the Saturday night, and then the police and the Delhi Fire Services rushed to the spot. You can see the kind of damage which has happened over here. 7 lives, 7 kids have lost their life. Other 5 are being treated at a nearby hospital. What we are learning and what we are picking up is that the 7 kids who have died, their bodies have been sent to the GTB hospital for post-mortem. But here you can see the kind of damage which has been done by this fire. In fact, not only this very building which was in a hospital, but also a building which is adjacent to this very hospital was also charred. In fact, now what we are understanding, a case has been initiated against the owner of this very hospital. In fact, looking at this very hospital, this is in Vivek Vihar, and right now the main aim of the police is to ascertain the reason, and also for the Delhi Fire Services to ascertain the reason of fire, exactly why the fire broke out.
See, we received a call around 11:32 and the caller informed that there is a fire in the baby care center and there is a blast. So we rushed 7 fire tender initially and later on we rushed 5 tender more, approximately 14 to fire tender. See, because of blast, the fire spread very fast to the whole building and also in the neighboring building. It was a very tough operation. We made 2 teams. One team started firefighting because there was a blast.
Thank you for watching CNBC TV 18. For all the latest news and updates, do follow us on our social media platforms.